Greetings, fellow vendors. Mike here with 720 Vending. In today's video, we are collecting from my Vendo 475 machine that I got for free, overhauled, and put on location. Like all the way to the end. Have a great day. Greetings, everyone. Today we are collecting from my Vendo V475 I have at a mobile home park. We're going to get some more soda loaded into it to get ready for the upcoming Memorial Day holiday at the time of this filming. Up first is my patented knee split, and we're going to go ahead and get some soda loaded. And I dropped a can. Small dent in the bottom, but it'll live. Got everything into my VenSoft application on my phone. If you're interested in learning more about VenSoft, there is a link in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, as well as a free 14-day trial down in the description. Up next is the Orange Crush. It's definitely nice to be able to provide service for these machines. If you're looking for other vending-related content, check out Galaxy Games 843, Mullberry Vending, the Howard Hospitality Group, Quik Play, and Xtreme Vending. Their links are all down in the description as well. Got the Dr. Pepper all stocked up, which is one of the more popular flavors. And then we'll get some Sprite in there. Probably in the next couple of weeks I'll have to bring some Monster up to the machine. It's taking a bit of time, but this machine's starting to pick up on speed each week and how much it sells. Once summer kicks in, it's going to be a lot better. Now we're going to get out of the collection. Forgive the darkness, we're having a little bit of a rainstorm, so got to get it done. There's the pool down there. This is a perfect location for the kids to come up and get soda. Yep, dropped a quarter out of the keyhole on the coin box. I'm going to drop a lucky quarter back into the bucket, and then we'll get onto the cash. Machine did $58.70 for the week and $2.70 in credit cards. Thank you all for watching. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to share it. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching.